Looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic roof, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, fog lamps, LED headlights, remote trunk release. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.